you are doing good and safe at home. Welcome back to our English class. Let's start our English class with a word of the day. Usually you are learning a word and its meaning, then you are making sentences by using those words. Very good. Keep it up. Okay? Today let's recall what did we learn in previous classes. Okay? What are the words you have learned? Shall we recall? Do you remember that? Yes? Okay. First day, what did you learn in first class? After term 1, you have learned 4 words, right? Till now? Yes. First one, copious. Very good. Then, dawdle. Then, abdicate. Then, abrupt. Very good. Do you remember? Yes. Okay. Say after me. Okay. What is the meaning of copious? Do you remember? Copious means? Yes. Many, abundant, numerous, lot of. Yes. Then dawdle, waste of time or be slow. Right? Okay. Then abdicate. What is the meaning of abdicate? Quit, resign or give up. Am I right? Yes. Then abrupt. What is the meaning of abrupt? Yes, very good. Sudden or unexpected. Okay? Sudden or unexpected. Today, let's learn another new word. Okay? That is D-E-V-O-U-R. How do you read this? Devour, not devour. Okay, R is silent here. Devour. Say devour. Okay, devour. What is the meaning of devour? Eat hungrily or quickly. Okay, eat hungrily or quickly. Then another meaning, read quickly and eagerly. Okay, it has 2 meanings. One is eat hungrily and quickly, then read quickly and eagerly. Okay, 2 meanings. Let's see some example. Okay, Ram devoured half of his cake in one bite. Did you understand anything? Ram devoured. Devoured means eat hungrily or quickly. Okay, Ram eat hungrily or quickly half of his cake in one bite. Okay, did you understand? So devoured means eat hungrily or quickly. Okay, then Radha spent her evenings devouring the story books. Okay, here devour, which means read quickly and eagerly. Okay, Radha spent her evenings to read quickly and eagerly the story books. Okay, did you understand? What is the word of the day? Devour. Okay, what is the meaning of devour? Eat hungrily or quickly, read quickly or eagerly. Okay, did you understand? Dear students, learn this word and its meaning. Then make 5 sentences by using this word. Okay, devour. Can you? Yes, very good. Then one more thing. Every day you should write all the notes in your notebook. Okay, what are the things I am teaching here? You have to note down everything in your notebook. Okay, first word of the day, then hard words, meanings. Okay, all the things you have to note down in your notebook. Okay, ask you to show your notebook to me in Zoom session. Okay, so today what you have to do? First you have to write word of the day. Then if I am seeing any hard words or meaning, you have to note down everything in your notebook. Okay, what are the things you are learning every day from this video? You have to note down that in your notebook. Got it? Yes. Am I clear now? Okay. Now let's move on to our lesson. In previous class, we have learned children of the digital age, right? Yes. See, up to what we have learned? Do you remember? Shall we recall once? Yes. That children, they suggested their granny to buy things from online, right? Yes. Then Sonal, she has shown some of the apps to her granny. Do you remember that? Yes. So that granny, she thought to buy things from online, right? Yes. Let's see the continuation. Okay. For that, first let's read the text. Okay. Students, take your book, page number 48. Okay. Page number 48 and 49. Take your pencil also. Underline the hard words. Okay. First, listen the audio carefully. Then underline the hard words. Got it? Shall we read? Yes. Have you all read the text? Did you understand anything? No idea? Okay. See, so that granny was saying that, okay, you're saying we can get all the things from online. So I have to give some money to them, right? When they deliver the things, I have to pay money for that thing. So I don't have money now. So please stop the cab at any ATM. Okay, ATM means, yes, automatic teller machine, right? We can get money from ATM, right? Yes. So that granny, she said, please stop the cab at any ATM. Okay. So this boy, who? Very good. Gunnar, he was saying that no need granny, okay? No need to go to any ATM, okay? Because in our mobile phone, we can make mobile wallet, okay? Mobile wallet. Wallet means purse, right? Yes. We can keep the money in purse. Likewise, in mobile phone also we have one option, mobile wallet, okay? That means from our account we can transfer our money in a mobile wallet, okay? We can use that money for our payments, okay? Mobile wallet, which means an online wallet that stores account details and money on a mobile phone, okay? Mobile wallet, which means an online wallet that stores account details and money on a mobile phone, okay? Already I told. An online wallet, it's an online wallet that stores account details and money on a mobile phone itself, okay? That is called mobile wallet, okay? So no need to worry, granny, we don't want to go to ATM, okay? We have all the facilities in our mobile phone itself. In our mobile phone we have one option, that is mobile wallet, okay? So that money, we can transfer our money from our account to mobile wallet, okay? From this we can do our payments easily, okay? So we don't want to go to any ATM or bank, okay? Then that granny was saying that, is it safe? Sometimes if I lost my mobile phone, then what happened? Others will take and they will use my money, right? Like that, who asked? Their granny. So again they are saying, no need to worry, okay? No need to worry about that, because we are going to protect our money with the password, okay? With that password only we can enter or we can go into that wallet, okay? Without knowing that, we can't take any money from there, okay? Who said? That children, okay? Then the granny, she was surprised and she said, see, usually I save money in my locker, okay? In Jhansi, I used to save money in my locker. I have two compartments, okay? Compartments means sections, okay? Compartments, what's the meaning compartments? Sections, okay? Your grandpa, he gave all the money, he gave all his salary at the beginning of the month in my hand, okay? So I saved that money in two compartments. Compartments means sections, okay? One is for savings, then another one is for monthly expenditure. Expenditure means spending money, okay? Spending money for our personal needs, okay? That is called monthly expenditure. Monthly expenditure. For example, vegetable, milk, then other things we need to buy, right? Yes, a dress and all. We have to give money. So that money I will save in monthly expenditure section. Then savings I will keep in savings sections. Okay, she has two sections in her locker. One is for savings, then another one is for monthly expenditure. Okay, that time she remember, oh my god, I used to guard my things in the locker. It was a Jhansi. Okay, she just remembered that. Got it? So the children were saying that exactly Granny, you're absolutely right. Your monthly expenditure compartment is like our mobile wallet. Okay, once we transfer money into our mobile wallet, we can do our payments easily. Okay, whatever we need, we have to buy and we can use our mobile wallet for the online payment. Okay, who said like that? That children. There is a street fruit seller. Have you seen him? That man, he is using mobile wallet. Okay, see that fruit vendor. Vendor means seller. Okay, street fruit seller, he is also using mobile wallet. Okay, for his payment. Okay, for his customers payment, he is using mobile wallet. Okay, then look at that kiosk. Kiosk, ice cream kiosk. Okay, ice cream kiosk. Kiosk means a small shop that is open at the front and looks like a booth. Okay, kiosk means a small shop that is open at the front and looks like a booth. Okay, look at this picture. This is ice cream kiosk. Okay, see that street fruit vendor and this ice cream kiosk, they are also accepting mobile wallet payment. Okay, even we have mobile wallet in our mobile phone. Okay, our parents, they transfer our pocket money through mobile wallet. Okay, then that girl Sonal, she is laughing and she is saying, you can also transfer our pocket money in our mobile wallet. Okay, then that granny was saying that, yes, I will do. Okay, I will give for both of you. Who said? That granny. By the way, almost they reached home. Okay, it almost reached home. Who said? Their granny. Children, you are enlighten me. Enlighten means informed or educated. Okay, that means the children, they enlighten their granny, right? Their granny, she doesn't know about this online everything, right? But the children, they taught her all the things, right? We can book tickets, then we can book cab online, then we can buy some things from online, we can pay the money from online, everything they taught to their granny, right? So that granny was saying that, children, you are amazing, you enlighten me. Enlighten means educated or taught or informed. Okay, informed everything to me. Granny was saying that, I have to say this to your grandpa. He has to learn all these things. Always he's waiting in the bank for his deposit, withdrawal or other investment. All the things he has to wait at the bank in the queues and all those things. It makes him tiring in his old age, right? Tiring means tired. Okay, tiring, which means tired, tiring, tired. Okay, tiring means tired. Okay, so I have to say this to your grandpa. We have to teach him how to do all the things. Okay, it will helpful for him. Who said like that? Their granny. Okay, then afterwards the children were saying that, no need granny. Okay, you are going to meet a digitally smart grandpa today. Okay, you are going to meet a digitally smart grandpa today. That means, yes, that grandpa, he also knows everything. Okay, everything like in this online system. Okay, see, who taught him that? Do you have any idea? Who taught him? Very good. His son. That means this children's yesterday also grandpa, he paid all the utility bills. Utility bill means water bill or electricity bill or gas bill. Okay, utility bill. Okay, utility bill means water bill, electricity bill, then gas bill. Okay, these things are called utility. Okay, utility bill. Okay, yesterday he has paid all the utility bill through his mobile phone itself. Okay, then even he hasn't visited the bank even one day. Okay, after coming here he hasn't visited bank even one day. All the things he is doing from home itself. Okay, who said? That children. To whom? To their granny. Really? You taught him also? Very nice. Okay, really going with this digital is very convenient for us. Convenient means suitable. Okay, it is suitable for us. Okay, dear children, thank you. Okay, thank you. You made your grandpa and grandma in a tech savvy. Okay, you made your grandpa and granny tech savvy. Tech savvy means someone who has knowledge of and expert in the use of technology. Okay, someone who has knowledge of technology and also expert in the use of technology. Okay, that person is called as tech savvy. Okay, one who knows technology very well. Okay, using technology very well. That is called tech savvy. Okay, you made your grandpa and grandma like a tech savvy. Tech savvy means someone who has knowledge of and expert in the use of technology. Got it? Yes. Then at that time she is flipping her mobile for watching groceries. Okay, groceries. Flipping means yesterday I told, right? Yes. Look at the apps. Okay, look at the apps for checking groceries in her mobile phone. Now she also like a smart grandma, right? Yes, very good. Digitally smart grandma. Okay, dear students, what did you learn from this lesson? Very good. Digitalization or else this gadgets changed our lifestyle. Okay, at first we used to go to railway station or bank or shop to buy things or all things. We have to go to that exact place and we got it, right? Now also last year what did you do? Yes, you went to school and teacher will teach, then you have note down all the notes in your notebook, then again you went to school, likewise you have learned. Now this year how are you learning? Yes, this is a digital. Okay, we are learning all the things from our home itself with the use of very good gadgets, mobile phone, laptop or computer. So this is called digitalization. Okay, this digitalization has changed our lifestyle. Okay, now we don't want to wear our uniform, we don't want to get in our school bus, we don't want to come in school, right? Just we have to sit in home and we have to take our mobile phone at that correct time and we have to learn all the things, right? So it has changed our lifestyle. Okay, so this gadgets and this technology has changed our lifestyle. Okay, so shall we learn these words once again? Words and meanings. Okay, mobile wallet. Mobile wallet, which means an online wallet that stores account details and money on a mobile phone. Okay, an online wallet, it's an online wallet that stores account details and money on a mobile phone. It's like a Google Pay. Okay, nowadays we are using Google Pay, right? If we want to transfer money for others, we just take our mobile phone and just we are sending the money to others, right? Yes, likewise. Okay, mobile wallet. For this, if we have this mobile wallet in our mobile phone, we can transfer money from our account to our mobile phone. We can use that money for our payments. Okay, then compartments. Compartments means sections. That granny, she saved all the money in her compartments. Two compartments were there, right? What are they? Savings for one thing. One is for saving, then another one is for monthly expenditure. Expenditure means spending money for some needs, okay, for vegetable, milk, all those things, okay. Then vendor. Vendor means seller, okay. Fruit, street food, vendor. Vendor means seller, okay. Shopkeepers, seller. Then kiosk. Kiosk means a small shop that is open at the front and looks like a booth, okay. It's look like a booth, okay. Then enlightened. Enlightened means informed or taught me or educated me, okay. Then tiring, which means tired. Tiring means tired. Then utility bill, that means our monthly utility bill. That means water bill, electricity bill, then gas, okay. These are utility things. So utility bill, that means water bill, electricity bill or gas bill, okay. Then tech savvy, that means someone who has knowledge of and expert in the use of technology, okay, who is expert in using of technology, okay. That is tech savvy. Got it? Dear students, write all the words and its meanings in your notebook, okay. You have to show your notebook in Zoom session. I will check. You have to write the word of the day, the new words, the meanings, all the things you have to write in your notebook. Okay? Yes. Now let's watch the animation video of this lesson so you will get some more idea. Okay?
Okay, but I need some extra cash in hand for the shopping. I know one can pay in cash for online shopping. Stop by an ATM, please, Kunal.
said Granny.
No need for that, Granny. We'll convert your mobile phone into a mobile wallet. A mobile wallet app will help you transfer money from your account to your mobile wallet and make payments to anyone using your phone,
said Kunal.
But is it safe? What if my phone gets lost or stolen?
Granny, everything is protected by a password. It is very safe. Safer than your huge locker in Jhansi,
added Sonal.
Oh, my locker at home. I used to guard it with my life as it had all the cash. Your grandfather used to hand over all his salary to me at the beginning of the month. I had 2 compartments in it, one for savings and one for monthly expenditures.
Exactly, Granny. The mobile wallet is like your monthly expenditure locker compartment. Transfer money to it once and keep making payments. See there, even that street fruit vendor and that ice cream kiosk accept payments from mobile wallets,
said Kunal.
Your fruit and vegetable vendors in Jhansi will also accept payments from mobile wallets. See, even Sonal and I have mobile wallets on our smartphone where Dad and Mom transfer our pocket money. You can also transfer.
Winked Kunal.
Yes, yes, I will for both of you.
Laughed Granny.
Oh, it seems we are about to reach home. You children have enlightened me on digital apps during this cab ride. I'll tell your grandpa that he too needs to learn. He spends hours at the bank, standing and waiting in queues to manage our money, deposits, withdrawals, savings, investments, etc. It is quite tiring, and he isn't getting younger.
Chuckled Sonal.
Granny, you are going to meet a digitally smart grandpa today. Dad has taught him online banking and now he does all his banking using his smartphone. He hasn't visited the bank even once. And yesterday, he even made online payments for utility bills. We all even booked air tickets and hotel accommodations online for our holiday to Bhutan in 2 weeks,
added Sonal.
Really, going digital is surely very convenient. Thanks, children. You've made your granny and grandpa tech savvy.
said Granny, flipping through grocery products on her smartphone.
Have you watched? Yes. Okay. I hope you understand this. Let's meet in next class. Bye bye.